all the worksheets are already there in your study material, in your application. After this lecture also, you all can go through the layouts. I'm discussing through all the layouts that I have made. Because when you are going in the module, they have not given the layout the way I have made. Clear? So it will be more clear to you all that how you all will write, how much line you all have to leave, if you all have to leave the line, yes, no, how much space you all have to leave. Each and everything I have included in this layout. Clear? Now, see this. Forms of layout for typing or writing a business letter. Let's say we are sending an email, so that will be go for typing. Or when you all are writing a business letter, all these layouts are there that you all are going to follow. Clear? Now, the English layout. This is English layout. The intended form, or you can say as full intended form, or the step form. Now, see this. This will be your whose address? Sender's address. Clear? Reference number, this will be receivers. Salutation, subject line, reference line, 3 paragraphs. See this, you all are leaving margin from both the sides. Clear? You all have to leave margin from both the sides. You all have to draw a box, and you all are drawing a box leaving the line from both the sides, that is half. Clear? Next, signature line, enclosure, sign, and complimentary clause, that is yours faithfully. Clear? But for your kind information, this layout is just for your knowledge purpose. You all are not going to follow this layout. Clear? We'll go to the second layout. See this. You are going to follow this layout, that is a block format that you all are going to write in cover letter also. Clear? When you all are writing cover letter, right, in resume, or when you all are writing the regular letter, correspondence, business letter, formal letters, you all are going to follow this American layout, or you can say as a block format or full block format layout when you all are writing the formal letters. Clear? See this. Everything on the left hand side. Reference number, date, inside address. But the main thing is y'all are not going to add full stop, comma, or anything. ये कुछ भी नहीं आएगा in the address. Clear? Salutation, dear sir, or you can write only madam, only madam. Subject line, तुम लोग ने अभी पेपर्स में मिस्टेक किया है. You all have done mistakes because you all don't know. Just go through this now. See this. First paragraph will be of introduction. Second paragraph, main body, that what and for what and how you all are, for what purpose you all are writing this letter. And conclusion, that I hope you will go through the letter or go through our letter, and I hope you will reply as soon as possible. Right? Next, you all are not writing sincerely. Write yours truly. Clear? हाँ, आगे मैंने बताया था. But then to sincerely को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा you all are going to avoid. You can write yours truly. Clear? Signature line and enclosure. Right side पे यहाँ पे कुछ आएगा नहीं. This is your block format layout. Clear? Next, this is modified block form. Nothing. The date from here, it went here. Other things, complementary clause will come here and signature line will come here. Enclosure is here only. Other everything is one and the same. Clear? Now, this is semi-intended form or semi-block form, you can say. Now, in letter, whenever they are asking you, and if they wrote in bracket that write a semi-block format, write a formal letter in a semi-block format, then you all are going to follow this format. Clear? Sender's address, reference number, receiver's address, date will come on the right hand side corner. Salutation, subject will come in between. This is an English intended. See this. You will start the paragraph from here till here, again here, and then here. Paragraph. Then second paragraph you will start from leaving 2 finger space. And third also. Clear? Complementary clause this side, signature line, enclosure. Now, this letter is, guys, very important for you all, because this letter is for sales promotion letter, most unusual, but it is an eye-catching form. Because whenever they are asking you all the letters, no, mostly they will ask you all sales promotion letter. And that block format, American layout, the second layout, mostly तुम लोग तो वो करने ही वाले हो जब भी वो लोग resume पूछेंगे तब. You all are going to follow that. So instead of that layout or instead of asking that letter, they will ask this one. Follow this for sales promotion. See this. Sender's address, reference number and date line in between. Inside address. See here how this paragraph is to be written. You can see it is like a hanging paragraph, you can say as. It is an away from margin. You all have to start from here, then here, then here. Again, you all will start from here, here, and here. It's an hanging paragraph. That's why this format is having a name of hanging indentation style. The paragraphs are looking like an they are hanging. Now, you can see the complimentary clause yours beautifully. It is not like a love letter है इसलिए मैं लिख रही हूँ that I am your beautiful and just give me the order or the deal that is going to be between us, right? Now, the difference is that I am talking about the product because it is a sales promotion letter. We are talking about the product or a particular thing. That's why in complimentary clause, yours beautifully will only come because I am talking about the product. And it depends upon the product also that what product you all are talking about. Clear? This is very important. Now, in this, there is just a bit difference. Reference number and date line is on the same line. Next difference is there is no salutation. There is no salutation. Paragraphs in American format. एक ही line में लिखना है. See this. You all are just going to leave one line. Clear? Here, complimentary clause, enclosure, reference, salutation, nothing will come. Clear? Next letter is also the same, that is called semi-official. यहाँ पे भी no formal salutation, Mr., Mrs. or Miss. Nothing means madam, sir, nothing. Mr., dear Miss, Mrs. यही आएगा. And direct subject line will be in between. And again, there will be only 2 paragraphs here. Clear? There are only 2 paragraphs, and the difference is the date line is not there here. If you will see, the date line is below, and inside address is below, where we are writing the complimentary clause also and the enclosure also and the sign also. Here nothing will come. Second thing, इसके नीचे मैंने homeworks, letters, resume, each and everything I have done. So you all are going to complete this. I am going to put this in your assignment. You all will complete it. Clear? And this thing in resume, if you all are, they are asking you all about sales promotion, then you all are going to follow in cover letter the sales promotion format. Clear? The sales promotion format you all will follow. This one. Clear? Now, your first question for formal letters. Write down. You are SDF, that is Senior Manager of ABC Solution Private Limited, draft a complaint letter to XYZ company Okay. XYZ appliances, write down. Private Limited regarding non-delivery of the order placed for products that is triple X and double XY. Clear? Now everything you all are writing in block format. I have just given you a question. I'm dictating you the letter, but you all are writing it in a block format. It is a complaint letter. It is not a sales promotional letter. It is a complaint letter. So you all will write in block format. Done? Now start writing. I'm dictating. Just write the address first. Write down the addresses or leave 4-5 lines for address and start writing the main paragraph. Dear sir, I'm just directly starting with the salutation. You will write the subject first. About dear sir, write the subject. Write complaint order. Complaint against the order number. Complaint against the order number. You will write the order number like this. S/N small hyphen 226. Right? In subject. Everything on the left side, your address should be in a straight line. Below the address, you all are going to write the date. Below the date, you all are leaving one line and then you all are writing the salutation. And after writing the salutation, you all are again writing the and starting your main letter. Clear? Now, next, you all will write the salutation, dear sir, or you all can write dear madam. First paragraph, this is with reference to order number. This is with reference to order number. The order number that you all have written, just write it down again. Made on March 28, made on March 28, comma, you can write the year 2020 like this. Okay, or you all can add the current also, that is 21. Whatever, it is up to you. The order comprised, the order comprised 6 1.5 ton split air conditioners, split air conditioners of Triple X brand. Six 1.5 ton split air conditioners of Triple X brand and 4 1.5 window air conditioners. Clear? Of Double XY brand. So I'm repeating again. The order comprised 6 1.5 ton split AC split air conditioners of triple X brand and 4 1.5 ton window air conditioners of double XY brand. Clear? As per the order details, the products were to be delivered. Within 10 days, and a representative was to be sent. For installation along with the delivery. Whenever you all are writing the paragraphs in block format, you all are not leaving two finger space and starting from here. You all are starting from here. Clear? Second paragraph. It is more than 15 days. It is more than 15 days since the order was placed. And despite several reminders, the order is still to be delivered. This has caused a great deal of embarrassment, and inconvenienced our clients. In addition, we have no correspondence from your side explaining the delay. You are requested. Next paragraph, guys. Sorry. Next paragraph. This is the conclusion paragraph that you all are concluding the letter. You all will write it in this way. You are requested to look into the matter urgently and ensure that the order is delivered. Ensure that the order is delivered in the next 2 days. In the next 2 days. Time failing, time failing, which the order will be, which the order will be summarily cancelled. Summarily cancelled. Leave one line and write, looking forward to your prompt action slash reply. To your prompt action slash reply. Done. Leave one line and write SDF, Senior Manager Administration. In the next line, you all will write ABC Solution Private Limited. ABC Solution Private Limited. On the left hand side only, you all are writing each and everything. Clear? Good. Now, go with the second question. Write a letter to a bank requesting them to stop payment of a check which has been reported lost. Done. Done. Start writing this letter. Address, both the address you all are writing in block format only. Both the address, date, and receiver's address. You all are going to write the subject request to stop payment of check number clear. Now, dear sir, or you all can write dear madam. Both can come. On behalf of ABC Private Limited, on behalf of ABC Private Limited, you all are going to write the sender's address of ABC Private Limited. I request you to stop payment. I request you to stop payment of the check number. What you all have written in subject, continue it down. Issued against our company. Issued against our company. Bank account number. Bank account number 123. Then put a small hyphen 456-789. Maintained by your branch. Maintained by your branch. This check was issued to our vendor. This check was issued to our vendor PQR Limited. PQR Limited amounting to rupees 3 lakh, rupees 3 lakh, dated. You all can write the date like this, or you all can write down the date also. But you all will write the date of the that has already gone, past date, and has been misplaced as reported by their accounts department. Has been misplaced as reported by their accounts department. We will issue a new check after your response. We will issue a new check after your response. Leave one line and write, thanks for your corporation. Thanks for your corporation. Regards, you can write ASD, Senior Manager Accounts. Regards, ASD, Senior Manager Accounts. Clear? Here guys, our part 1 of formal letter is completed. In next lecture, I'll start with part 2. Homework question. Write a letter to the editor highlighting the road mishap problems in your area. Block format. Done. This is your homework. You all are completing it before the next lecture. See this. I have given the letters. Business letters. Between whom? Between seller, manufacturers or wholesalers and the buyer, that is wholesaler or retailer. First stage, basically a letter of inquiry by the buyer company, we have already done. Second stage, agar I am okay with it, then I will go with the second stage. Then third stage, fourth stage and fifth stage, a letter of execution, the order by the seller, that is the company. We'll just go through this in first stage. What you all are writing, a letter by the seller company asking for payment for the order executed by them in 1, 2 or 3 months ago. Second stage में a polite reminder by the seller company with a polite warning for payment with a small interest. Politely बात करनी है, धमकी नहीं देनी है. Third stage, a letter accompanying payment check. A letter accompanying payment check, draft, etc. By whom? By the buyer of the buyer, that is company, to the seller company. Important notes that you all have to follow. Business trade letters are exchanged between manufacturer, wholesaler company of two different cities. Of two different cities, and or you can say as wholesalers and retailers of the company of two different cities. Very rarely between retailers and customers of the same city. बाजू बाजू में ही है तो फिर क्या लेटर क्या भेजना? Nowadays, instead of writing letters, traders mostly use telephonic communication or email for writing inquiry letters, quotation, reminders, orders, execution of orders, and for collection payment. Therefore, trade letters are generally written by those big business houses, companies who are in big business and are from two different cities. Mostly जो different cities में है वो लोग एक दूसरे को मेल भेज देते हैं, letters भेजते हैं, but those who are in same city वो लोग क्या फॉलो कर रहे हैं? मोस्टली अ टेलीफोनिक कम्युनिकेशन. ये क्लास वर्क है. कितने हैं? 1 2 3 4 5 6 done. 9 letters are there. In 1 week 2 to 3 letters you all are completing. Maximum 3 letters. I want in the till next week it should be completed. Clear? Here our part 1, that is formal letters, is completed. In part 2, you all are going to learn circulars, memos. These two things is remaining. I'll complete this in the next lecture. Clear?